Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Railway Empire 2 is having crashing issue. It is not launching, freezing and stuttering, black screen, low FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and many more issues which is happening across the globe and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about just follow the instruction. So all you have to do is start with a simple restart. For that, just go over here on this icon, click on this one. Go for a restart. So once the restart is done, try launching the game, and that is what you have to do as the first step. This is actually a basic step. Sometimes a restart can fix the issue, so try with a simple restart. Moving to the next one is all about we need to verify integrity of game file. For that, we just need to go over here in the game, right click on the game, go to properties, go to local file, click on verify integrity of game file. So hence the game is around 21.6 GB. This is going to take a little bit fast. So just click on this one. So what happens is, if you click on verify integrity of game file, if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, all these kind of issues will be fixed from their end. This is what you have to do. So this is an important step. So sometimes missing files and even corrupted files can cause the issue of having the trouble with launching the game. So verify integrity of game file is actually a very important step which we need to try out, and that is going to fix the issue as well. So go for verify integrity of game file. That is what you have to do. So once you're done with this one, verify integrity of game file, you'll be getting the play button once again here. Just click on the play button and try to play the game, and this is what you have to do as the second step. Moving to the next one is all about we need to try with launching the game from the installation folder. Right now, we need to launch the game from Steam. So that is might be causing the issue. So try launching the game from the installation folder. We have two methods. One method is we can launch the game from the Steam itself. Another one is, let me close this, go back. So right now we got the play button, just launch the game after verify integrity of game file. Next one, we can launch the game from Steam itself. We have a shortcut which will be taking us to installation folder. So launching the game from Steam itself may be causing the issue. So try launching the game from the installation folder. So right click over here, go to properties, go to local file, click on browse. That will redirect us to this one. Now go for above. Now from here, if you go over here in the Railway Empire, select this one and launch the game. So launching the game from the installation folder, in my opinion, this did work out for many users, so you can try this out. Apart from the shortcut from the Steam, there is one more step, that is navigating the installation folder. How to navigate to the installation folder using File Explorer. Because down the road, we need these steps. So let me show you that. If you don't know, just follow the instruction, click on the File Explorer. Now from here, go to this PC, go to local disk C, keep scrolling down and navigate to program file x86. Keep scrolling down and navigate to Steam folder. Go to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we need to scroll down and navigate to Railway Empire 2. Now from here, select this one and launch this. Try launching the game from the installation folder. So once you're done with this one, most probably this might be working, or else not worry, let me move to the next step, that is all about run the game as an administrator. Hence we are in the installation folder. Let me show you the step from here itself. Just right click, go to show more option, properties, go to compatibility. Now from here, click on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK and try launch the game. This is an important step and you can try this for sure. This did work out for games when the users who tried out for games like, for Last of Us and many other games, this did work out for them, so you can try this out. So now launch the game from here and that is going to work for you. There is one more step which I would like to add. That is all about launching the game, running the game in the compatibility mode. That can be also done from here itself. So just right click, go to show more option, go to properties. Now from here, go to compatibility. Now click on run this program in compatibility mode. Change this to Windows 7. First run with this Windows 7, go for apply and go for OK. Or else change this to Windows 8, go for apply and go for OK and try to play the game. This is what you have to do. Try with this and most probably this one might be working out as well, or else we'll move to the next step. Next step is all about make sure the Windows which you are using on the PC or computer might be in the English language. If you are using any other native language, change this to English. And how to do this? So just go over here in the search, go for settings, go for time and language, go for language and region. Now from here you can see the preferred language, click on add language, search for English and set the language to English. This is an important step. Parallelly, make sure the country is correct. That is, I'm from India, so I have to select India. I should not be selecting any other countries like United States, United Kingdom or any other country. I should be selecting the correct geography of mine. So select that one. Go back, go to the date and time. Make sure the time and time zone is correct. This is an important step as well. Make sure both these things are correct. Once you're done with this, just close this, go back and try to play the game. Next one is all about, we need to launch the game, but press Alt and Tab from the keyboard. Click on the play button, but at the moment when you're clicking on the play button, press Alt and Tab from the keyboard. That is a very important step and you have to try this out. Next one is all about, we need to delete the saved game file. Some of the games is having auto save format, or some might be we need to save it. So for that, just go over here in the file explorer, go to this PC, go to documents over here, and here you will be able to find Railway folder, the Railway Empire 2. If you find the folder Railway Empire 2, just delete the folder. Keep in mind you will be losing all the progressions, but that is fine. Just delete it, go over here and go back and try to play the game. Next one is all about, we need to allow the game to Windows security. For that, we just need to go over here in the search, go for control panel. Now from here, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, we need to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, you have to scroll down, hence it is an alphabet, just navigate to R. So just keep scrolling down and you will be able to find Railway Empire 2. Now from here, select private and public, both should be selected. Once after that, you need to make sure this is selected, and if it's not there, if it is not added, we can add it manually. For that, just click on allow another app, go for browse, go to this PC, go to local disk C, keep scrolling down, navigate to program file x86, Steam folder, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we just need to keep scrolling down Railway Empire 2, select this one, go for open and add it. So I'm getting the error because it's already added successfully. So just add it if it's not there. Once after that, go back and see whether that's going to work out. Or we'll move to the next one, that is all about, we need to unplug all the USB devices. Some of you might be playing the game with joysticks, some of you might be connected to the multiple monitors, as well as some of you might be having any other peripherals already connected on the USB port. If that is the case, remove everything from the USB port. Now launch the game after that, and if you wanted to play the game with the controllers, connect back the controller and try to play the game. This is an important step, and I don't know how this is related to the game, but removing the peripherals from the USB port and connecting back, removing everything from the USB port and try to play the game did work out in my opinion, so you can try this out. Next one is all about, we need to perform a clean boot. For that, just go over here in the search, go for system configuration, go for services, go for disable all, hide all Microsoft services, go for apply and go for OK. It might ask you for a restart. Let me show you. Click on apply and go for OK. That's asking for restart. So hence I'm in middle of the video, so I'm going to go for exit without restart, or else you can go for restart. Once you go for a restart, just launch the game. Next one we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. For that, in the game, right click, go to properties, go over here, make sure this is blank. If you select this one, that is enabling, so you have to disable this. Once after that, try launch the game. Next one is go to the launch option. Over here we need to give the command that is dx11. First command is dx11, try launch the game. Next command is dx12 and try launch the game. Try with dx11 and try with dx12. Anything is fine, just launch the game, and once after that, just go back and try to play the game as well. Next one is all about, we need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, just go over here, go to graphics settings. Now from here, we need to find where the game is already. As you can see, I have already added all the games. Same way I have to add this, just click on the browse. Now from here, go to this PC, local disk C, program file x86, go to Steam folder, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, go to Railway Empire 2. Now select this one and go for add. So once it's added, just go for option, change this to high performance and go for save. Once this is done, just close everything, go back and see whether the issue is solvable. Next one, we need to update the graphics card, which is an important step. For that, we just need to open this one. That means I'll be providing link in the description, both NVIDIA as well as for the AMD. NVIDIA users, just go over here, select the product, Go for product series, you have to select everything. Once after that, select every details over here. System should be Windows 11. Select everything and go for start search. Once you go for start search, you just need to do like this. You will be getting the driver version, that is 523.03, which is released on May 24, 2023, which is 3 days back. So just download this one and install this on your PC. Restart is a must. Once after that, go for AMD drivers. Now from here, go to graphics. Now go for submit. Now from here, we just need to go for Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you're on Windows 11, go for this one and download this one. If you're on Windows 10, select this one and download this one. Once after that, try launch the game. Next one is all about, we need to install Microsoft Visual C++. So I'll be providing link in the description and you will be fine. Just download x64 and you have to install this on your PC and try launch the game. That is going to work for you as well. Even after trying, if still the issue is persisting, we have to move to the next step, that is increasing the virtual memory. For that, just go over here in the search, go for view advanced system setting, advanced settings once again, go for advanced, go for change, go for custom size, give the initial size value as well as maximum size value. Initial size is 1.5 times the total RAM, the maximum size is 3 times the total RAM. So just go over here in the search. We need a calculator. So my RAM is 32 GB, so just multiply your RAM with a constant value, that is 1024. Multiply this and multiply it with 1.5. That brings you 49,152. So just paste it. Move to the next one is all about, multiply 32 GB into 1024, multiply it with 3. That brings you 98,304. So just copy this as well and paste it. Once after that, go for OK and just try launch the game. Next one is all about, we need to update the Windows. For that, just go over here in the search. Now go for settings. Now go for Windows update. Just update the Windows. It is an important step. So update the Windows and once after that, try launch the game. That's going to work for you as well. Next one is uninstall and reinstall the game. For uninstalling the game, just go over here, go to the manage, uninstall the game. For reinstall it back, you just need to make sure that it should not be installing back on the same local disk. Try with any other local disk. And these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you're having an issue with Railway Empire 2. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.